Hello to all. I am Rudresh, final year student, Department of Mechanical Engineering at HMS Institute of Technology Tumakuru, affiliated to VTU Belagavi and approved by AICTE. Due to the reason of COVID-19, now I will submitting my technical seminar PPT through video. Topic name: Airless Tires. Presented by myself Rudresh PV, Internal Guide Maunesh R, Assistant Professor, HMSIT Tumakuru. Contents: Introduction, History, Pneumatic Tires, what is airless tires or wheel, how it works, different design approaches, advantages of airless tires, disadvantages of airless tires, applications of airless tires, safety, economical concerns, conclusions, references. These are all contents. Introduction. For more than 100 years, vehicles have been rolling along cushions of air encased in rubber. So being and discussing the development of airless tires, something that has become more prevalent in past few years. A few tire companies have started experimenting with design for non-pneumatic tires including Michelin and Bridgestone, but neither design has made it mass production. Creating a new non-pneumatic design for tires have more positive implications than one might think. For more thing, there are huge safety benefits. Having an airless tire means there is no possibility of blowout, which in turn means the number of highway accidents will but cut significantly. Tires are the weak point in military vehicles and are often targeted with an explosives. If these vehicles use airless tires, this would no longer be a concern. History. Going back in history, initially a craftsman known as wheelwright forged a band of iron steel tying the wheel segments together as the metal constructed around the wheel. In 1891, the detachable pneumatic tire was invented by two brothers, Michelin, consisting of a tube bolted onto the rim. In 1948, Michelin revoluted the first radial tire was developed, and this was the revolutionary achievement as it used steel belted radial tires. The advantages of meet longer life and increased mileage for the vehicle. However, it required a different suspension system and so was slowly adapted. This was the tire along the Dunlop's invention, which gives us the tire we have today. We have seen heavy tire development, especially in motorsport. However, we are yet to see anything as revolutionary as previous key point in history. There have been concepts, with a major one being the Michelin Twill announced in 2005. Pneumatic tires. The basic design of all pneumatic tires is very similar, even though there are many different types. Pneumatic tires have their advantages, but they also have their disadvantages as well. The possibility of blowout is a major concern because they have the tendency to cause severe accidents. What is airless tire or wheel? A airless tire or non-pneumatic tires are the tires that are non-supported by air pressure. These tires are also called as twill, which is merger of words tires and wheel. This is because the twill does not use traditional wheel hub assembly. The twill concept was first announced by Michelin back in 2005. Its structure is solid inner hub mounted onto the vehicle axle that is surrounded by polyurethane spokes. This forms a pattern of wedges which helps to absorb the impact of the road. The spokes look similar to the one found on bicycle and plays the shock absorber role of the compressed air in traditional tire. A shear band is stretched across the spokes which forms the outer edges of the tire. It is the tension of the band and the strength of the spokes that replace the pressure used on traditional tires. Which vehicle drives over an obstacle? A sleeping policeman, for an example. The treated and shear bands gives way as the spokes bend before they quickly bounce back into shape. Different design approaches. There are many different approaches to design of the supports. The accounts for the main difference between the overall designs of each company's version of the airless tire. The following approaches to making an airless tire by different companies. Some solve more problems than others, but it should be noted that all show extreme amount in ingenuity that may cross over into different types of engineering. NASA and Apollo Lunar rover. The first major attempt at creating an airless tire was 1917 for NASA's Apollo Lunar roving vehicle. The tire was made of steel strands woven together to form the shape, and they were coated with zinc. In order to gain traction, titanium chorvins were added to the other surface. Michelin. The next main attempt at creating an airless tire was called Tweel by the tire company Michelin. The design consisted of the thin rubber thread with V-shaped spokes made of polyurethane. Bridgestone. Another model for the non-pneumatic tires came from the well-known tire company Bridgestone. Although very similar in concept to Michelin's Tweel, there are some key differences. The core is made of rigid aluminum and has thermoplastic spokes radiating outward at an angle in opposite direction on each side. That creates more stability and less lateral movement in the tire. Bridgestone also fixed the vibration and noise problem in this way as well. Resilient Technologies LLC has started before the production of airless tire would be extremely beneficial to the military. The group of Resilient Technologies LLC is working with the military to develop such tires for Humvees. To meet the requirements of heavy loads and raw terrain, these tires are quite industrial looking. Outer thread with a honeycomb-like structure inside. This allows for the load to be evenly distributed around the tire. The most convenient design for everyday vehicle come for a company called Ceotec. Their tire fits on standard rims unlike all previously mentioned models and has the look of regular pneumatic tire from the outside. Instead of supports radiating from the center, their supports are spring-like. There are 100 supports in very tires and 9 are the contact with road at any one time. There is also secondary support system in order distribute load to all the supports which have 550 pounds strength each and made of thermoplastic glass fiber composite material. A futuristic design concept, the Hankook iFlex is an airless wheel and tire. Hankook iFlex. A futuristic design concept, the Hankook iFlex is an airless wheel and tire all in one. With the Hankook tires iFlex, the company presents the prototype of a non-pneumatic tire that will help increase the overall efficiency of vehicle, thereby improving their energy balance. Advantages of air tires: eliminates air leaks or tire blowouts, no maintenance needed. Facilitate recycling, vehicle remains under control even in emergency brakes. Durability and long life, can take gunfire or explosion, less environmental impact, and so on. Disadvantages of airless tires: leak adjustability, not as economic as pneumatic tires. Vibration, different manufacturing process. These are all disadvantages. Non-pneumatic tires has more advantages compared to disadvantages. So that's why non-pneumatic tire was extremely ultra. Applications of airless tires: they are used in small vehicles and they are also used in heavy equipment also. Military usage will deflect mine blasts away from the vehicle better than standard tires, and that the wheel remains mobile even with some of the spokes damaged or missing. The airless tires also used in all-terrain vehicle or ATV made by Polaris. These tires can be suffer a shoot from a 50 caliber rifle and still travel 350 miles and also drive 1000 miles after running over the railroad spike. It will start at $15,000. As stated before, the main danger of pneumatic tires is the chance of a float or blowout that usually occurs at highway speeds. A blowout is when a tire basically pops or deflects rapidly. This causes the driver to lose control of the car and risk the possibility of hitting another vehicle. With airless tires, this is no longer an issue. This is no chance for blowout and drivers does not have to be concerned about changing a float. Better handling is also benefit when it comes to safety. Although it does not vary by much, it is important to have that extra stability in the tires to make the car go exactly in direction which is stated. This is especially very helpful in swerving to avoid an obstacle such as an animal or other car. So for this reason, improved handling is not just for better driving experience. Environmental concern: non-pneumatic tires are also expected to have positive environmental impact. As of now, tires companies must address the growing mountain of blunt tires, defilling the landscape, and find a way to recycle or find something that lasts longer and can be recycled. In the case of airless tires, it can be the latter. Cytec airless tires is said to be able to outlast the car. This has enormous environmental implications because with so many cars on the road, there are many old tires and have to be disposed of because airless tires mostly use composite material. There is only small amount of rubber that actually goes into it. Also, since the tread life on most models is longer than that pneumatic tires, the rubber does not have to be replaced very often. This means that there will be less of it to dispose of later. Conclusion: This is a new technology will increases the safety of cars as well as have a positive impact environmentally. Since these tires are also able to be retreated, there is a possibility of smaller cost per tire, which is always embraced by the customer or consumer. This innovative project is also backed and guided by engineering codes of ethics, which will ensure that the development is conducted in a way that it is responsible and fair. This is a type of innovation will become increasingly valuable in the future, which is why researching topics such as this is very important for young people. This gives them a sense of what they can do after all their hard working years of schooling, and that what they can do will matter. References. Thank you all.